Hey friends, we're at the Red Deer Show and Sale, and we're standing outside of an Avenue All Access 25RL by Alliance RV. So many wonderful features with our Avenue All Access. One of the things that's unique to Alliance RV is every single fifth wheel that we produce is a 101-inch wide body design. So we're going to give much more holding tank capacity space, walkability on the inside of the trailer, just the added space around the bedroom. We put bigger beds inside, and we're going to show you when you get inside. But again, what's really nice with this 25RL is we have opposing slides, an island kitchen, but we're only 29 feet, 11 inches in length. We put a 3,000-pound rated hitch on the rear with flat 4 wiring. So if you're the type of camper that maybe wants to pull a B-train with a quad on it, maybe a fishing boat, you can definitely get away with it with this particular model. Again, one of the things that's consistent through our lineup, our DNA with Alliance RV, is we have switches. So again, we can control the slide out from the outside of the trailer, giving us a way better vantage point to be able to open and close our slides safely without running them into something when we're extending them. Again, the awning switch, Starlink prep, standard on this particular model as well. So you attach your antenna here on the inside of the trailer. We have another dock for the modem, and you can have high-speed internet wherever you go. The other thing with our Avenue that makes it unique is we're actually running 16-inch wheels underneath this particular trailer. Most of the trailers in this segment are going to be running a 15-inch wheel. So the benefit to having the larger wheels, bigger brakes, and more clearance. Trucks don't seem to be getting smaller these days. They seem to be getting taller. And so we're going to give you close to 3 extra inches in clearance in the front end of the trailer to get it onto the back of the truck and just give you a really nice level towing experience. In our pass-through storage compartment, again, we're going to give you more storage because of that 101-inch wide body design. So a lot of thoughtful elements that have been put into the Avenue to give you a far better camping experience. Coming up inside the trailer, again, you're going to see, we're going to close that lid. That lid is a max fan. It's got the rain sensor built into it. It moves a lot of air. But right inside the coach, you're going to see opposing slides. In our units, we've got larger kitchen islands, so they're much, much deeper because of the wide body. Our kitchen island's going to be much deeper. But check out this storage. This is underneath a 65-inch television. Look at this. It's absolutely gigantic. The storage in this trailer that's just under 30 feet long rivals some 35-foot trailers. Absolutely love it. Drawer max here. Glazed birch drawer boxes. We put larger drawer glides on. We have an unbelievable pantry with fully adjustable shelves and power plug inside. So if you want to adjust it depending on what you want to put in and maybe run a toaster or a crock pot in there, you can definitely do that. The other thing that's nice, underneath all of our kitchen sinks, we give you storage for a residential size trash can. So we've intentionally designed it to give you a much bigger space to be able to hold that trash can, to be able to put that stuff away. Again, lots of drawer space. At the rear of the trailer, we've got a tri-fold sofa as well, which makes into a bed, or optionally, you can get a triple theater seat if you didn't need the bed. So, but again, beautiful seating position. You're sitting down, chilling out for the evening, watching the hockey game, and you've got a massive 65-inch television right up top there that we're looking at. So absolutely beautiful. Lots of floor space when you come in. Freestanding table and chairs. One of the things that's different with our tables is it's legless. So if you're a taller individual or getting in and out of the dinette, we're not hitting our knees, catching our feet. Just makes getting in and out of the dinette a whole lot easier. And again, a lot of people absolutely love the entry side window, being able to look into your camp space. Coffee bar hutch. We do a plug in here as well, so you can set your coffee pot off to the side and keep that conveniently located to your dinette. Another thing, super tall slide boxes. Some of the tallest in the industry. In our mid profile, as we go up into our regular Avenue and our Paradigm, they get even taller. But with this, the big windows, the taller slide boxes, the wide body in a trailer under 30 feet, this is an absolute winner, giving you unbelievable space on the inside. So coming up to the bedroom bathroom area, you're going to see a 3-piece bathroom, lots of space, porcelain foot flush toilet with soft close lid. We've got the max fan above, big shower. We have drawers in the bathroom. We have a cupboard there for all your towels. And then coming into the bedroom, this is the larger bed. So again, with the wide body design, we actually have a 66-inch wide by 80-inch long Olympic queen size bed. So a little bit bigger than a standard queen, not as big as a king, but we're getting you halfway there. And then some really cool flip up storage areas. And then in the corner here, we've got a really nice big wardrobe. And then underneath, 3 drawers. And this is prepped for washer dryer as well. So if you want to add that combo unit, all the plumbing's there, ready to be hooked up to. So thanks for taking a tour of the 25RL with me.